So, namaskar everyone. So, we have Mr. Ambarish Chatterjee with us from FCP Index, and he would like to share us the brief about the FCP and how it is going to support to the entire ecosystem of the industry. Yeah.
Thank you. The full form of FCP is Fluid Connector Products. It is basically, uh, it is like in any hydraulic system which is there in your earth moving machines, your mining machines, all those things, they are all run by hydraulics. So FCP is basically fluid connector product like hoses, connectors, tubings, everything. So in FCP Connect, we are basically a consultant with mainly three verticals. One is training vertical, where we go to the OEMs and give them training and all those things. And second is we train the MSME people who are manufacturing this, assembling this uh, hose assemblies and tube assemblies and connectors and all those things. And we train them, we give them systematic training in the sense starting from equipment selection to layout to all the SOPs to work instructions. We train their personnel also how to make good assemblies, and that is basically the training aspect. The second vertical is basically technical consultancy to people who have got the product, but they are not excelling in the product. So that is a very important thing. If we want to go in for Atmanirbhar Bharat, then we got to produce something which is of the world class. So that is what we have got acquired knowledge as well as training outside and all. We support them in excelling in the product. And third is business consultancy also, where we support them from our network. They can go to customers and they can find the right customers and they can sell their products and all those things. Uh, Apart from this, these are the small this thing. We do something for the OEMs of the earth moving machines and all. We do a thing called VAVE, value engineering and value analysis and value engineering, right? This is to reduce their cost, proper selection of fluid connector products, and we have in the process we can give up to 3 to 4% cost saving in their thing. So that is our main activities, you can say.
So in fact, that is the very huge activity for the entire ecosystem, and which is much required for the because once we talk about the MSMEs are willing to expand their business. They are in fact struggling for the skilled manpowers. So the training and the other activities will definitely help them to get the skilled manpowers along with the training for their desired field, and then the extension of business is definitely much required for any one of the industry, and that's how the entire ecosystem brings on. So you have said that you are working on to the VAVE, right? So the value analysis and value engineering. So that would be the core activities. I think when we talk about the self reliance India, then definitely we are the as a Indian, the many people are only looking at the capital aspects and while not looking the entire life cycle of the products, right? So we have worked with the many of the industries, but then the everyone is looking only at the capital figures. Then they don't look at the overall life cycle analysis.
Another thing we go, we train and we have workshops for the equipment users. How to maintain it properly. What are the do's and don'ts in this thing, and then the best thing is they may have got the best product of fluid connectors like hoses and all. The product may be very good, but if the installation is not proper, you'll be surprised to know that almost 75 to 80% of the failures they have got in these products are not because of the product defects. It is because of the installation and application. Yeah. So that's a very important thing. So we have been to the mines also. Recently we went to Hindustan Zinc, and we trained their own people as well as their business channel like the Caterpillars, like Atlas Copco, which is now known as Epiroc, and Sandvik and all. So we train them also so that they get the best result. The downtime of the machine is low. They can get the best productivity of whatever they are excavating, like say zinc, coal, whatever it is. So that's it.
That's fantastic. In fact, the downtime would be the very much and crucial for the any industries, and while into the bigger industries, that would be very much required. And every industry is struggling due to the downtime because the service people or the OEMs cannot reach due to the travel restrictions and other things. While if they have the in-house manpower, then definitely that can be reduced because the operation and execution time will remain same, and they can get the assistance from OEM over the telephone, or nowadays the VR AR is also available through the technologies, so they can extend the better. So if you can give us the SWOT analysis of the entire industry, wherein what is the India compared to the world, and what are the scopes for the Indian SMEs to go on the global segments?
See, that is what we are saying. We want to uh, elevate the manufacturers of these hose assemblies or tube assemblies or connectors to such a level that we can compete with the global global competition. And price-wise, India, that way labor is cheap, and if the product manufacturing is very well controlled, if it's a system-driven product, then it can definitely come up, or maybe within a couple of years, they'll be in a position to start with the nearby countries, and maybe at the later stage even to the west. So that's
What is the potential available for the Indian market? If we speak about the Indian MSMEs who are there into Indian market, so what would be the overall potential for this industry?
see this industry.
Into the
See, a rough estimate is basically about 2,000 crores. About 2,000 crores. But there is another part of it that these people, they manufacture for the automobiles also. They make the hose assemblies for the automobile, tube assemblies for the automobile. So if that is clubbed together, then it's a huge, huge thing. You'll be surprised to know that one of the hose assembler in India, his turnover is around 3,000 crores. But he caters to not just construction equipment or mining equipment, he caters to the automobile fluid connectors also. So there's a huge scope, no doubt about that.
So if it is about the technology, right?
Right.
The hydraulics or the FCP,
Yeah.
it consists of two major parts. One is the fluid,
Right.
and another is the mechanical essence.
Right.
So, and the majority of the concern areas are it is not being maintained well, or the leakages
Right.
are known to them.
Right.
So, do we have any such technology available, not into India or probably globally, wherein the leakages and everything can be detected and that can be rectified before?
Very good question. Very good question. Now the thing is, it's basically we feel that about 80% of the hydraulic system failures or malfunctioning is because of contamination. So in our process, what we give to these MSMEs, hose assemblers and all, how to maintain a clean this thing, that is also clean product. That's a very important thing. So if that is arrested, your 80% of your failures or malfunctioning of the hydraulic system can be addressed at least to 50% of it. So 40% of the failures can be arrested. So that is the main thing. Then most of these these small assemblers, they have learned it from their earlier generations. From the earlier generations. Now the new generation have come. See, I have been in this product field for the last 42 years. And we have got a backup of about, right now we have got a backup of about 7-8 back end. And we are about 5-6 technocrats who are working on it. So one of our colleagues, he has patented some of the measuring equipments and all those things for these product support. So that is a very important thing.
So we are working on the solutions and that can be available very soon.
Yes,
for the
yes,
industry,
yes.
right? And that is the entire. I think
Yeah.
the bigger industry is getting. Now we are talking about the hydraulic lifts,
Right.
mechanical package which works on
Right.
There are the many mining equipment which are huge into nature.
Yeah. All of them are with hydraulics. All of them are with hydraulics.
So once it is small error into the liquid can create the major
Yes.
massive
Yes.
accident.
Yes.
So at least if we can prevent the massive accidents or the overall downtime,
Yeah.
that would be great for the entire industry.
Yes. Downtime is very important. Downtime is very important. Even if we can improve the downtime by 10%, the productivity goes up by manyfold. So that is our main aim, and our customers or our clients or whom we consult, they have got quite a good result out of this, reducing the downtime.
So typically when we're speaking about the India or such kind of developing countries, the downtime or the infrastructure development and the other activities are going on much manifold. And the smallest change into entire economy
Yes,
will create a
exactly,
huge difference.
exactly.
So that's great that we are working and we have the solution and support our
Right.
And definitely must say that the entire industry will get benefit out of this.
Certainly.
Together, I think we can do certain more activities and that will benefit.
See, you'll appreciate is training is a major part of how to install a good product, how to get the best out of it from maintenance and all those things. That are all included in training. So sum total is that overall the mining, the construction industry, mining industry, and any material handling industry for that matter, steel, aluminium, zinc, they will be benefited from the training vertical of ours.
Absolutely. And then there are many more applications which can be developed. Once
Yes.
established. And there are a lot more opportunities for research development.
Right,
New startups
right,
to be
exactly.
entering into the new verticals.
Exactly.
And that must go on.
Exactly.
So we have Mr. Ambarish
Chatterjee.
and he have shared a very good insights for the entire industry. How he is supporting for the entire industry to get benefit out of this and making a self-reliant. So thank you very much, Ambarish.
Thank you.
For your precious time.
Thank you so much.